every day you can catch a fish in every cast.
Oh my God, man.
What is AI? No idea. But I've got a few questions for it. Can it be used to make you a better fisherman?
Yes, AI can be used to make you a better fisherman in a variety of ways. Here are some examples. Predicting the best fishing spots, AI algorithms can analyze data such as water temperature, current, and weather patterns to predict where fish are most likely to be located at any given time. By analyzing this data, AI can help you identify the best fishing spots and increase your chances of catching fish. Identifying fish species, AI can analyze images of fish to identify the species, which can be helpful for recreational fishermen who want to ensure that they are catching legal and sustainable fish.
That actually sounds kind of handy.
Analyzing fishing patterns. By analyzing your fishing patterns, AI can help you identify what techniques and equipment are most effective for catching fish in different conditions. Monitoring fishing conditions, AI can monitor weather and water conditions in real time and provide alerts to fishermen when conditions change. For example, if the water temperature drops suddenly, AI can notify you that the fish are less active and adjust your fishing strategy accordingly. Recommending bait and tackle. AI can analyze your fishing history and preferences to recommend the best bait and tackle for the types of fish you are targeting and the conditions you are fishing in. Overall, AI can provide valuable insights and recommendations to help you become a more successful fisherman.
Okay, I think we get it. Like, basically, AI is a scientist. Very interesting so far. It's early May. I'm in southern Ontario on a large Clearwater lake. Lots of rivers and canals attached to it, and lots of marinas. The water temperature is 50 degrees Fahrenheit, and the air temperature is 12 degrees Celsius. It's overcast, very calm conditions, and I want to go crappie fishing. Should I fish shallow or deep?
In early May, crappie tend to be in shallow water for spawning, especially if the water temperature is around 50 degrees Fahrenheit. However, if the water is particularly clear, they may be more hesitant to venture into the shallows during daylight hours. Given the calm conditions you described, it might be worth starting your search in the shallows and then moving deeper if you don't have any luck. A good approach would be to use a combination of techniques to cover both shallow and deep areas. Try casting jigs or small lures in the shallows and around any structure, such as fallen trees or weed beds. If you're not having success, try moving out to deeper water and using a vertical jigging technique to target suspended crappie. A fish finder can be helpful in locating the right depths. In summary, start by fishing in the shallow areas, and if you're not having any luck, try moving deeper until you find the right depth where crappie are feeding.
Honestly, not bad advice. Not bad advice at all. It's kind of shocking. What bait should I use?
When targeting crappie, there are several bait options that can be effective, including live bait and artificial lures. Here are a few options you may want to consider. Minnows. Live minnows are a popular choice for crappie fishing. You can either use a small hook and float to keep the minnow at the right depth, or use a jig head to add weight and fish it vertically. Jigs. Jigs are a versatile option that can be fished at different depths and speeds. Look for jigs with a small profile and light weight, and experiment with different colors to see what the crappie are biting on. Soft plastic baits. Soft plastics can mimic a variety of natural baits and can be rigged on a jig head or fished weightless. Look for baits with a small profile and natural coloration, such as grubs or worms.
So let's say if I can only use 2 techniques and baits, which 2 should I choose? This could be interesting.
If you can only use 2 techniques and baits, I would suggest using live minnows and jigs. Live minnows are a popular and effective bait for crappie, especially when fishing in shallow water. You can either use a small hook and a float to keep the minnow at the right depth, or use a jig head to add weight and fish it vertically. Make sure to keep the minnow lively and change it frequently to maximize its effectiveness.
I can only choose 1 lure for crappie today. What should it be?
If you could only choose 1 lure for crappie fishing today, I would recommend using a small jig. The jig is a versatile lure that can be fished at different depths and speeds. It can mimic a variety of natural baits such as minnows or insects. When choosing a jig, look for a small, lightweight jig with a natural coloration such as a brown, green, or white. You can also try adding a small piece of soft plastic bait, such as a grub or a twister tail, to the jig to increase its effectiveness.
Wow. It really gets into the details, and I'm very kind of surprised. I guess you heard it. So we've got to start fishing shallow and use minnows on a float or twister tail grub. Pretty simple. Let's go to a shallow spot. So we're gonna make our way into a little canal, as AI suggested, and we're gonna throw a float with a jig head and a minnow. Instead, start shallow and work your way deep, so that's what we'll do.
Water temp is 53 in here. Hey. Oh. AI works. AI knows. AI knows. That's pretty crazy.
I was just gonna ask you if you had any luck.
I just caught one, yeah, nice crappie.
That's my buddy.
But they're really good eating. People love catching these guys.
A lot of boats up and down here fishing, and
Have there?
you're the first one I've seen pull something out. You're the
First one to catch one, eh?
one I've seen catch a fish. So I have to tell them that
They're in here.
they're in there, so they'll probably
We're gonna let them go.
come up and come up and catch it.
Yeah. I was pretty excited about that, to be honest with you. AI knows. I guess AI knows. That guy was telling me he sees lots of boats coming in and out of here. Nobody catching any fish. I'm the only one he's seen catch fish. Probably the only one using AI to tell me what to do. Which I want to say, if you know this spot, that's awesome. Don't put it in the comments though. There's no need to make the spot any more public than it has to be. So if you know the spot, let's keep it our little secret. I'm gonna try going back to my soft plastics just because I keep rifling through minnows. And I think my plastic can catch a bigger fish. Back to the super minnow. Screw AI.
What was that?
Hot one. Come on, be big, Crappie. Get out of there. Yeah, not very big ones, but these would be perfect eater size. Okay, we located the crappies. We're gonna pound them. Another one. This one looks big. Ooh, that's a big one. Yep. He swallowed it. Well, he's okay. He just really wanted it. That's a big one. That's better. AI for the win. That one will get one for sure. Got him. I'm tightening up my drag. Oh. That's a bass. Wrong kind. You're literally jumping on my bobber.
You're hungry.
Yeah. Here we go. shocked how many are there. They might all be gone tomorrow.
Yeah. Here to get into the water.
I know.
They're coming for it.
Oh, it's a bass. That's how it goes though. You get one crappie and then a bass, and then a bass and a crappie. You don't know what's in there. They all hang out together. We're letting them take it. And that's a crappie. Man. Oh, that's a crappie. That's a big one. Yep, it is. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh. That's a good one. Oh boy. There's a big crappie again. Unreal. Oh my, if that's a crappie. Oh gosh. Oh my, that's a huge one. Oh my god, this is an absolute tank. Bam! Oh my god, man. Oh my goodness. Look at the size of this thing. Again, on the power minnow. Outdoor Junky's gonna be so happy. Absolute beast. There's still 100 fish in there. I haven't caught nearly all of them. I can see a lot more fish still. Like, it blows me away how many are in there. Thanks for the company. This is a weird looking one. Got some sores. What do you think happened to him? Looks like he got bit. Wow. This feels really big again. Come on, please be a crappie. Oh my gosh, it's huge. Another giant. That's our biggest one yet. Tank, absolute tank. I gotta show him for Matt on the power minnow. Yes. My friend makes this lure too.
Really?
Yeah. Last cast. Yep. Nice. Nice. All right. Great way to end the day. That's pretty crazy. Oh. That was totally insane. So I'm shocked. AI knows how to fish. I'm not really sure how I feel about this whole AI and technology thing, but you know, we have live scope on our boats. That's pretty controversial technology. We've got side imaging. What's a little AI? Might change the game for how people do online research for whatever species they're targeting. Doesn't matter where you're going, what you're trying. Ask AI some questions and it might give you some good advice. Really cool stuff. Really impressed. I don't even know what to say. We'll see you on the next one.